This system was over 27 years old, way past its prime. Compressors were failing, coils were failing, replacement parts were obsolete, expensive, and if we could even find them, they would take weeks to even receive them. No units matched the original footprint, and the existing curve adapter was fully duct connected. We installed a new 12-ton RTU with custom curve adapters and fully reworked the ductwork to fit. All this was done after hours, so no disruptions to the customer. New disconnect, thermostat, damper, smoke detector, drain lines, all installed, tested, and documented. And now it's protected by 5-year parts and labor warranty. No guesswork, no surprise bills.